Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Uba Erwin's aim ke sutnga uba dairu way ni kinong ya side an bapao ke jilla badru hakajo kapor uchaman jong ke Joint Action Committee Border of Meghalaya. Habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor hagasngin kong jong katayo ulaong bamenta kaladap shibnai ke jingja syaksiat yap kinong song shnong ke mukro. But haba kinong mi khmat ke shnong mukro kiwan ban yakendo ya menteri rangba Konrad Kongkol sangma uaida uba uke BP. Ula ong shisho batang babu ya ki BPO haki kaput kamut lala ban weng ya ki jing Ula benrap ru da ka baong baga jingbo ya ka BPO hapo ka shnong barato kalalong pun ban kum ka dak ban ai jaka shisho ya ka Assam haka jaka ban bo ya ka police outpost haterso. Hagani kasni na kalyang jong ba asut nga ula ong ru bakumno ka Meghalaya kayo ban shna yo usurok hagi benta ba kaput lada kadai ka jaka jong ka Assam. Badula ongru pimla ban ai jingya da ya ki breu jong kathan lada pibo ya ka BPO kat sabab himon bad ka peni ba ka sarkar Meghalaya ka ting ban ya kendo markman bad ka Assam.
Tipsik ngan ong kumno ba mentan ngasko don ba yathu ki ong ba kiwan ki mukro ban yakran ta ki BPO chief start ni ong kumno kan kakam ganya kumno kan ba nda ong ban yakran ni kayap ke em ta ki BP ta kata telah jinjar
atau BI batang babu ini polis outpost ni border outpost po kikaput laban wa gini chinge
ki propose kum apa block 2 banbu ka border outpost ha terso ka moment you are accepting that the border is at terso you are giving more like chief minister Konrad sama one inaugurate apa bertu that means you have removed the border right up to Bartu. You are in fact accepting the contention of Assam that Mukrok is within Assam. They should have put it in Mukailo. Ya kata ngan ong ipi. Balai. How is it that you have allowed that road to be built by the Dhar company who built that road? They built it up to Mukailo. Is that not the natural boundary? For now, before we settle all the retransfer now. Is that not the natural boundary? Then why you have brought it to Bartu? Simple question. Hey, kato ka surat ka bakisna. Kisna gidhar. Kapoy hado Mukailo. Mga bala stay. Hang tu kasurak Meghalaya ki ong kadi kut ka Meghalaya te dang bahag surak tang sepoi te Assam pula da kasurak kla ta beli ki lada ka ayu ta beli kim pukut hapo mukuro ani hapo bertu kumno ki yo ban sina sdu stel kam de jaga Assam jaga Meghalaya ta beli pibo pada polis opos ya tapi number 1 galong gani the question of security, the question of development in the border area is a very sensitive, is a very legalistic, very complicated in a legalistic way. Tama kasulong na utang ni. Keeping a border outpost over there, kalong ba, it should give security to our people. But you cannot give security if you are keeping this border outpost far away and you are afraid to come face to face with the Assam police. No, retaliation, that is another issue. But the point is that just by putting it there, people pull it into Assam langsung tu long hirakan. Tapi people syate sejauh tu Assam la arkia. Kita ipai. It's just a political stunt. Mano ba kenjat ya CBI na Meghalaya? Mendai ka rai jong ka kabinet mana katung aladap kran ni kata. Mendai ka rai jong ka kabinet jong Meghalaya jong ka MDA, ka sarkar MDA ka ba kenjat ya ka CBI siapa? Balik tang suwan na Delhi balik siapa ka rai ban khot biang ka CBI? Ultimately it becomes just a political eyewash. She banai mata. He could have taken the decision a long time back. As soon as he arrived, he could have taken the decision. He said, okay, come, let us sit. We have to bring in the CBI again. Let us take a decision. Why has he not taken the decision? Is it only for political mileage that he announces in Delhi that we are agreeable to the CBI inquiry? This is a question that they have to answer. Kihapan jubab ikan ni, kadai tang kam kai. Bahang tay piong we are agreeable tang suong himanta biswasama. Yes. Kenapa ini prefiskap jar? Ka CBI ka jing thok bria ka CBI kala jor kala. Bagi orang bakal dia tool jong central government ba jong ka kamtam ya BJP ki orang bakal dia tool ban haras ban le ki pijai kam ka enforcement directorate ro ka joi demanta ka sistem bahaya nga ngandon ka confidence ba ka to ka CBI inquiry can come into any this thing nomor pe ladaki ong to the limited investigation of pinpointing responsibility, yes. Bangating kalong ba ikiyo kiyak ta pada sa Cambodia. Kata kada kicik ka sungai. For the limited purpose to investigate who was at fault, what was the fault, how they to establish that fault. Kamlele. Ngating ba yo kajimuan ka CBI kan toket kan ralut iki Cambodia kan ralut iki ba kan long beneficial for us. Kata kada